Alright, starts right here, drops the marble through here. The marble is going to go through that, come all the way down. Just going to go through that hole, just going to lean it through here, just going to go through the cup, shoot our pulley system. Just going to lift up that block right there, shoot that lever system. With the weight of these two blocks is going to press that down, which over here is going to lift this lever up, which is going to have the car go sliding down, which is going to hit these DVD cases, which is going to knock them all down in a domino style. We're just going to push the toy train with the candle on top all the way down. Alright, which is going to burn the string. It's going to hit the Xbox controller, which over here is going to turn on, which is going to eject the CD case, which is going to knock down the two bowling balls down this ramp and knock over the bowling ball pins.